This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and thank you for clicking on to this Thursday edition of the Carolina Weather Video here on the 20th day of November, and another big blast of Arctic air set to move into our area. Let's start off with a look at the temperature, or I should say the pressure pattern across the lower 48 temperatures in just a second. And I notice a big, sprawling 1048 millibar high nosing into the United States from Canada. That is that dome of Arctic air that's pushing on down in our direction, and we're going to feel that without a doubt as we go through the day tomorrow. Another very cold day, another day very similar to what we saw Tuesday with chilly temperatures tomorrow and very blustery northwesterly winds. Now for today, starting off the day below freezing in most spots across the Piedmont, but one brief warm-up type day today with highs in the 50s before we see that next blast of Arctic air, and you can see that cold air charging into the northern plains states this morning. Some single digits there crossing the border from Canada into parts of Montana and North Dakota. Here's the upper air pattern. This is off of the 0Z run of the GFS, and again, a brief day of milder temperatures today with highs in the 50s, but here comes that next trough swinging into the northern part of the country by tomorrow. You can see that trough swinging into our area. Actually, this is at 1 a.m. tonight. I wanted to show you this. As this trough approaches, again, a lot of upper-level energy sort of bundled in the base of that trough. So as it swings through tonight, we could see a few snow flurries across portions of the Piedmont, and certainly there'll be some snow showers kicking in the North Carolina mountains on those northwest-facing slopes especially. But again, don't be shocked if there are a couple of snowflakes in the air overnight tonight. And then here we are as we get into 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that trough definitely swinging into the area, and that will deliver the next push of Arctic air. We fast forward now to Monday. I wanted to show you what happens, and the model's in fairly good agreement through Monday or Tuesday. Then it gets pretty complicated. But here we are Monday, and we have an upper air low sitting over the Great Lakes, and that looks to swing into here by Tuesday and deliver another push of at least colder air. Probably not as cold as what we're going to see tomorrow and the weekend, but at least some colder air again settling in for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Now, a couple things to show you here in terms of the surface pattern and the precipitation pattern here, and I'm going to take this out on through portions of the end of the model run, so if you want to take a peek down the road, stay tuned here. Here we are, 1 o'clock today, and again, a milder day today, good amount of sunshine. 1 o'clock tomorrow, and there comes that push of Arctic air, that high pressure settling down into the Ozarks, driving northerly winds into our area once again, and we'll see wind chill values at best in the 30s all day tomorrow, and probably 20s for the bulk of the day, as those northwesterly winds will be pretty brisk once again. Highs in the low 40s in most spots tomorrow, maybe even some spots up toward the Triad in the upper 30s for high temps tomorrow. So yeah, very cold day again for our Friday. Saturday, we'll start off the day with lows in the upper teens to lower 20s. Lots of sunshine all day Saturday, highs again in the 40s. Sunday, again, lower 20s, maybe some upper teens for low temperatures Sunday morning, then lots of sunshine all day. Highs probably rebounding up toward the lower 50s in many spots Sunday afternoon, and maybe some spots in the upper 40s. Let's fast forward now to Monday here. This is Monday evening, 7 o'clock in the evening. That next cold front approaching, and we'll probably have a chance for some showers Monday afternoon into Monday evening as that cold front approaches and moves on through. Then we're cooler again Tuesday. This is Tuesday, 1 in the afternoon. That cooler air moving back in once again. Wednesday, much the same. A lot of sunshine builds in, and let's see, that is Tuesday. We fast forward now. This is actually Thanksgiving morning. Wednesday will be a quiet day with a lot of sunshine. So for Thanksgiving, next Thursday, looks dry, good amount of sun, cool temperatures, highs probably in the 50s for Thanksgiving. That's how it looks right now. But again, there's some model disagreement. Now let's go out toward the end of the run here on the GFS. We have one storm system set to come through probably around the 29th or so. That'll be a cold front, some rain chances with that. And I'm getting fairly confident that the first couple of weeks of December could be quite cold over much of the central and eastern part of the country. Here we are out to the morning of December the 4th, Thursday morning, December the 4th, and that is the real deal. That is some significantly cold Arctic air. That's a bitterly cold air mass in much of the central part of the country, and that's spreading eastward with time. And Looks like if you're a snow lover in the eastern part of the country, this might evolve into a fairly fun pattern. Let's go out to the very end of the run. And of course, you can't take any details of this range at all, but you have a very cold Arctic air mass covering much of the eastern United States and an active southern branch of the jet stream. So a storm system taking shape in the southern plains here. This is all the way out the evening of the 5th of December. Storm system taking shape that would then lift eastward. And again, you can't take any details of this range at all, but if you like snow and you like cold air, we are looking like we're trending toward a somewhat fun pattern for the first week or two of December. So that's something we'll be watching. Maybe for you snow lovers, maybe we can dial up a snow threat at some point the first couple of weeks of December, but just way too early to see whether or not that will happen. But it looks cold to start December, and I think we're getting into a more unsettled pattern with some storm systems rolling through during that early December time frame. So we'll see how that all unfolds for us. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Thursday. The next edition of the video will be posted early tomorrow morning on Friday morning. Everyone have a great Thursday. God bless.